We are about to wake up to a new world. The world of the Internet of Things. Don't worry. It just means that objects will be able to speak to each other. They'll do our work for us. And look after us. Now, isn't that a nice thought? They'll be able to react to our movements. They'll understand when we want some peace and quiet. Or when we want to get information and news. Or just have a nice breakfast. In fact, the Internet of Things already exists. Many everyday objects are already part of it, some a bit too much. Intelligent objects will improve our interaction with the environment and our work. And as they're intelligent, why not have them do some work on our behalf? So we can concentrate on what we enjoy. Meanwhile, the objects will collect data and take care of us. And that's not all. The Internet of Things will help us save money. Do the shopping. Avoid lines. All lines. Step by step, the Internet of Things is on its way. We're working on it at this very moment. How about you? Are you ready to wake up to a new world?